আজ আমরা কিছু প্যাসেজ নারেশন করব। এগুলো পারলে আশা করি তোমরা সবগুলোই পারবে। The stranger asked the boy if he would tell him the way to the nearest hotel. The boy replied in the affirmative that he would. Then the boy asked the stranger if he wanted the residential one. The stranger replied that he did not want to stay there, but only wanted a meal. Then the boy advised him to follow him. বাস এইটুকু করতে পারলে তোমরা ৫ এ ৫ পাবা। Once I asked a little girl, "What is your mother's name?" Once I asked a little girl what her mother's name was. I know my mother's name, but I won't tell you that. She replied that she knew her mother's name, but he wouldn't tell me that. তুমি ইচ্ছা করলে এখানে স্টপ, ফুল স্টপ দিয়ে আবার নতুন করে বলতে পারতা। She never told her mother's name to anybody. She also told that. এই কথা না বলে বিকজ দিয়ে আমি ঝামেলাটা সেরে ফেলেছি। কিন্তু তোমরা যেহেতু ১ম শিখছো, সেহেতু তোমাদের এখানে বিকজ লাগানোর কোনো দরকার নাই। তোমরা বলবা she also said that she never told her mother's name to anybody whom she didn't know. যাকে সে চিনে না। I said, "How clever you are!" I exclaimed with wonder that she was a very clever girl. I came here yesterday from my village, he said. He told that he had come here অথবা he had gone there. দুটাই হতে পারে। He had gone. যদি gone বসাও তাহলে there দিতে হবে, নাহলে come here বসালেই হবে। The previous day from his village. Why did you come? I asked. I asked why he had come অথবা gone. My mother sent me to you with this letter. He replied that his mother had sent him to me with this অথবা that letter. দুটাই কারেক্ট। কেন? কারণ আমরা যদি ২ জন এক জায়গাতেই থাকি তাহলে কারেক্ট। আর ২ জনের অবস্থান যদি ২ জায়গাতে হয় তাহলে কারেক্ট না। দুটোই সঠিক হিসাবে আমরা ধরে নেব। How is your mother? I again asked how his mother was. How his যেহেতু লিটল গার্ল, how her mother was. I have not seen him for a long time. I also told her that I had not seen her, এখানে her হবে, for a long time and hoped she was quite well. I hope she is quite well. এই কথা না বলে যেহেতু দুইটা একই রকম সেন্টেন্স, I have not seen him for a long time and I hope, এইজন্য দুটাকে জাস্ট and দিয়ে আমরা যুক্ত করে দিচ্ছি। Could I help you, sir? Said the receptionist. The man replied, "Sure, I want to meet the director of the company." The receptionist asked if he could help the man. The man replied that he could and added that he wanted to meet the director of the company. The receptionist said, "Do you want an appointment?" Then the receptionist asked if the man had an appointment. The man replied he had. "Yes, I had." The man replied in the affirmative. বললেই হবে। "Have you cut your hair off?" asked Jim. Being surprised, Jim asked Della if being surprised কেন? কারণ have you cut your hair off? তুমি তোমার মাথার চুল কেটে ফেলেছো? asked Della. Being surprised, Jim asked Della if she had cut off her hair, cut it off and sold it. Della replied that she had cut it off and sold it. Don't you like me just as well anyhow? তুমি কি এখনো আগের মতো আমাকে পছন্দ করো না? Then Della asked Jim if he didn't like her as well anyhow. I am me without my hair, aren't I? অথবা ain't I? Anyway, she also said that she was herself without her hair and assured that she was and assured that she was এবং সে আবার তাকে নিশ্চিত করলো যে সে কিন্তু সেই একই ব্যক্তি। এই ধরনের কঠিন জিনিস তোমাদের আসবে না। কিন্তু যদি আসে তাহলে এইটাই সরাসরি আসবে। কারণ জিম এবং বেলা থেকে সরাসরি কিছু প্যাসেজ নেই। আজকে এই পর্যন্তই। তোমরা ভালো থেকো। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।